Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house. You know where it's at. I don't know what I mean when I say my house at like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, Mama Joan is off to Jamaica to a funeral. I'm going to Jamaica today. Me and Papa Harry go attend to my brother's funeral. So, guys, I am off to Jamaica today. Me and Papa Harry. Where is Papa Harry? Where is Papa Harry? Is he hiding from me? There he is. So, guys, going to Jamaica today. It's to attend my brother's funeral. My brother passed away about or two ago, so his funeral is gonna be on Sunday, so we are off to Jamaica. So as I go along, guys, I will do a little bit of videoing and, you know, like keep you updated on my progress with my trip to Jamaica. so guys, me and Papa are in at the airport and we're struggling like crazy. You know, but we get in there. It's not too busy, you know, so we have to try to work it out and try do a little filming as we go along. Okay, guys?
Because you're not to go, so.
Yeah, because we don't have Nexus. Guys, as I said, my husband is here with a splitting headache. My girlfriend come and she give him some Advil and a bottle of water so that him headache can go away. And as soon as him headache go away, him start to give her problem. Anyway, guys, come to my friend, you know, come to my video. Come to my see my beautiful friend. I will talk about my friend, not pretty. I'm a friend pretty enough for just like our friend. And watch.
Like
watch him. Him say all him like is our shoes. Papa Harry is problem. That Papa Harry is Harry bag.
But I asked her if she have it and she tell me, say, but Joan, you know what say, I'm a PNC than this.
Hey, this man is something else. He have one bag of garbage. When put in him suitcase and him something. This is what Papa Harry do. Papa Harry have some t-shirts, some socks. I'm tell the man don't bring them. And him take them out of the suitcase, but him full up the knapsack we can't lock and bring them with him. Can you guys believe that? Can't trust this man. This is my niece, Lexi.
Yes.
Shanna, Daddy.
Hello, world, winners, we in a Jamaica, world.
See me enjoy your Zico, the best in the world. Without a doubt.
Oh, Zico, I hear that. Let's come to stadium, mom. Yeah?
Okay.
Have a good night.
John, we have to send a shout out to Mariela.
Yeah, but hey, Mariela, you see who I'm celebrating? Watch out. Now the whole family. The whole family. A great pleasure, man. A great pleasure. And so tomorrow I'm going to see more. Because you know, say, I'm on the government thing right now. We're going to go back. So you know tomorrow. But oh, yes. Here you go.
She wants her food and she sit her lazy ass down and don't want to go get it. Watch her, watch her. She leaves home and this is all she's been doing from she come here. Sit her ass down and eat it.
Yo, Shakers.
Remember the supplement?
You should show it.
Who is it? John, the one man. John.
She band them big load board. Them a play them load pan. This is oversized load board. This is going to be Guinness Book of Records.
More on Guinness Book of Records.
First load board never see service.
Yeah, big on this one.
Yeah, watch Papa Harry enjoy himself. He's having the time of his life. So welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan channel. As I said, I'm on a journey and I'm putting my brother to rest. So for now, we are at the, we call it the funeral home, the funeral cemetery. Excuse me, guys, you know Mama Joan or head go sometime. I'm talking about funeral home. I left the funeral home already. Now I'm at the funeral cemetery. So this is where his body is going to be rest in peace at Dovecot. So we just reach here now and we're just waiting for everybody to come together and then go up to where the burial site is. So I will keep you guys up to date and in tune with what's happening as I go along. Yeah.
It's right there, it's right there.
No, me good.
Then it's done.
See, that's my brother. And I'm finally resting. So